President of Kannada Sangha, a multi-talented person, he is known for his friendly nature and equally great sense of humor. Sir was born and brought up in Udupi district in Karnataka. He completed his basic education in Udupi. He attended graduation degree from the University of Mysore through distance education. Having experienced in various organizations such as Nationalized Bank, Century, Sir entered Times of India newspaper group in 1973 and rendered a long, restless service in different divisions. During this period, Sir got completely involved in various associations and organizations in Mumbai in such a way that it was hard for him to move away from the city. Therefore, he declared VRS from Times of India and started his own investment consultant business. Sir is honored with many awards for his social services, such as Suvarna Kannadiga State Award by Mandara Academy, Bangalore. He is also felicitated by various associations in Mumbai, as well as other places. His various articles and writings are published in Karnataka Malla and Udaivani newspaper. At present, he is the director of GSB Sukruti Cooperative Society. We are indeed very fortunate to have you here, sir, as the chief guest for our function. I, on behalf of VPM Dolphin Kids Preschool, welcome you once again, sir.
Now our madam will read out the annual report.
A very good morning to one and all present here. It gives me great pleasure to read out the annual report. Our new session for the academic year started on 4th of April 2016. VPM endures to be an academic community characterized by shared vision, responsibility, and mutual love. We aim at forming fearless, vibrant citizens who are able to face the challenges of life. Okay? As our aim, we started our academic year with the curricular activities such as storytelling competition, elocution, recitation, drawing and coloring, handwriting, fancy dress, and many more. As a part of curricular activity, religious festivals are also celebrated with the reasons and the importance for the same. Then first summative exam was conducted between 13 October and 21 October 2016. Inter-school Gita chanting competition was held on 29th November in our school premises. 8 students were participated in the same. Miss Gargi Khadke got second prize from Group A. Then inter-school Gita chanting was organized by Chinmaya Mission on 27 November at Friends Academy. 7 students participated. Amongst them, Miss Gargi Khadke, Ketki Velankar, Kavya Vete, Divya Mav are selected for the final round. Kala Children Academy had conducted coloring competition for junior and senior grade students. Miss Kavya Gosavi and Miss Pranjali Chauhan from junior KG and Master Sakshat Patil, Master Swaraj Khadke from senior grade, they got first prize in coloring competition and qualified for the next level. Recently, Dhanavallabha School had conducted inter-school recitation competition for junior and senior grade students on 30th November. Miss Prarthana Vivekanand, she from senior KG got first prize in recitation competition. Thank you, parents. Thank you.
Now I request our secretary madam, Mrs. Nelson, to come over the dais. Please, madam. No.
Now I hand over the mic to Pramila teacher to read out the names of our young achievers.
Give. Go down better. Go down. Good morning, everybody. Where is Anaga teacher, madam? Anaga teacher alliddare ಅವರು ಕೊಡ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ. Anaga teacher. Now I request our chief guest to give away the prizes to our young achievers. I will start with nursery. Sir, please. Anaga teacher. I'll read, madam. Rishi is the winner of 3 prizes: third in fancy dress, second in running race, and second in potato race. Yeah. Parents, please tell them. Sadi Sardaisi is a winner of 2 prizes: first in fancy dress, first in coloring. Shlok is a winner of 2 prizes, second in Hindi recitation and second in coloring. Parnita, second in fancy dress. Parnita, second in fancy dress. Uday, second in fancy dress. Uday Pisat, second in fancy dress. Ansh Redekar, third in fancy dress. Ansh. Parents, please. Anay Kulkarni, third in Hindi recitation. Anay Kulkarni, third in Hindi recitation. Sivansh Matre, third in Hindi recitation. Yom Anand, first in Hindi recitation. Yom Anand, first in Hindi recitation. Arush Bhosle, first in running race. Arush Bhosle, first in running race. Arnav, third in running race. Arnav, third in running race. Veer Matre, first in potato race. Veer Matre, first in potato race. Rajveer Lamane, Rajveer Lamne, third in potato race. Now I start with junior KG. Miss Gargi Karki is the winner of 4 prizes. First in fancy English recitation, first in patriotic song, first in storytelling, and first in fancy dress. Miss Sharvari Gangan is the winner of 4 prizes. First in drawing, first in fancy dress, second in storytelling, second in running race. Miss Tanvi Kadam is the winner of 3 prizes. Second in English recitation, second in Hindi recitation, second in zigzag race. Master Aryan Bhosle is the winner of 3 prizes. Third in English recitation, third in Hindi recitation, first in running race. Master Ayush Borade, first rank in nursery, second in zigzag race. Miss Soumya Shinde, second in Hindi recitation, second in zigzag race. Miss Ovi, second in patriotic song, first in zigzag race. Master Rajesh Deshpande, second in drawing competition, second in running race. Wait. Master Ayush, first in zigzag race, first in running race.